My betalicious person there, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time where this video take reach you. This now Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Monday will be the 5th of August 2024. Our topic for today now, fire in your bosom. Our Bible reading, it comes from Proverbs chapter 4, from verse 14 go reach 15. Proverbs chapter 4, from verse 14 go reach 15. And our memory verse now from 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 22, we tell us, say, make you run, comot from anything wey resemble evil. Make we enter today's message. Bible talk say, person no go fit carry fire for a bosom, make e no burn am. This one, we go see am for Proverbs 6, verse 27. Fire for this context na sin. If believer dey allow sin or anything wey resemble sin around am, he or she dey carry fire for e belle, and eventually the fire go burn am. I learn from Joseph story say, when devil dey determined to bring a man down, e go position temptation around that man so that e go dey see am continually. E know say if the temptation dey front of person eye every day, na only a matter of time before the person go fall. This na why I dey always tell my children say, they're not supposed to get secretary or personal assistant of the opposite sex. E better say, make you not bring temptation anywhere near you than to believe say you go fit resist the temptation. Yoruba people get one proverb where they always talk say, wetin you no go eat, no smell am. If man dey ask you for relationship wey you know say go lead to sin, wetin make you still dey answer a call? If you dey always tempted to thief, why you dey always dey agree to help your group or department hold money wey dey contribute? You must stay far away from anything wey go fit lead you to sin, because the devil, Bible describe am as serpent, and serpent sabi play wayo well well. And as e dey dangerous, so if he crawl beside you, you no go know say devil reach there. You fit swear say, you no go ever do something, but if you allow that thing come near you, the devil go deceive you until you do the thing. Our elders dey talk say, na true war, for war, na lizard take dey enter inside house. When you give room to temptation around you, you don open the wall of your soul, and na only matter of time before sin go creep enter. Stop to be friend with that your friend wey dey always dey suggest make you do sinful things. Pack comot from that area where you dey stay, wey dey make you dey very susceptible to sin. Delete anything wey dey your phone wey fit lead you to sin. In fact, just do anything wey e go take to get you very far away from sin. E better say make you lose these things and make you make am to heaven than to keep them or go fire. Our action point for today be say, think about the things or people wey dey present temptation to you regularly, and ensure say you stay away from them. This na the end of our message for today. Not forget say our topic na fire in your bosom, and na Pastor E.A. Adeboye, wey be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God worldwide, na him write this Open Heavens Daily Devotional. And the Redeemed Christian Church of God, they use this opportunity, they invite you to their 72nd annual convention, wey dey start today. You fit watch am online, or you fit come Redemption City of God to attend live. My confirmed person, this na Still Favours blog. Abeg, no forget to like this video, share the video, and of course, subscribe to this channel so that you will get videos like this and more live updates from the Redemption City of God. We go see for our next video.